Hey guys, thank you for clicking on today's video. As you guys see, I have a grocery haul for you guys. Before we start with the motivation, I had to stop to my grocery store really quick to just grab some things for the week. And my jalapenos, my avocados, my chile serranos, mushrooms, ham, cauliflower, chicken breast, hot dog butter, the hot dog bun, the lettuce, you name it. I always switch up on my menu for the week, guys, because my family are picker eaters and you guys know the drill when it comes to that. But today I wanted to do for my kids chicken alfredo and for my husband some carne asada fajitas, and that's what I got. And this is how the kitchen is looking like. It does not look that messy, guys, but wait for it. It's gonna look messy because we're gonna clean the fridge, and it could get messy, guys. It could get really messy, especially when I'm clearing out that fridge, clean it out. And yeah, you guys already know. Well, you can imagine how messy it gets. But right here, I'm showing you how dusty this jar is and how dusty my whole top of the fridge is in general. It's really dusty and messy, and it really needs a wipe down because I have a lot of chili powder and all that dust and all that paint because my husband was painting one of the walls and the door. And yeah, so I'm just gonna clear out all this and give it a good wipe down with my favorite spray, Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Centern. Sorry if I'm missaying it, but it smells so good, guys. It just smells like a lemony. It's just smells so good, guys. It just smells so lemony, and it's for summer, but I think for fall it's just a perfect scent as well. It just smells so good. And not only that, but it cuts out all the grease, and the fridge could accumulate a lot of grease, and this product, it just does the work, guys. You should try it out.
Cause I wonder if you feel the same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate. Oh babe, no it's never too late. I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again. Oh yeah, cause I wanna work things out. Yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me. With me. we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving, and I'm feeling the way I do. Uh-huh. 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm.
just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love.
Thank you for staying to the end of the video. And if you really like this video, guys, and if you really got some motivation, please give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And not only that, comment down below, guys, because I like to read you guys' comments. So I really hope you guys liked this video and got some type of motivation. And as you guys see, I'm on my way to work because I work in the evenings. And yeah, guys, look at this beautiful view. I just love it. It's just so peaceful. But God bless you all. See you guys in the next one. Bye.